Hi, this is Ron Alville with High Performance Mechanical Training, and welcome to the IT Skills for HVAC Technicians class. What we're going to be talking about in the next few minutes is an introduction, and I'd first like to give you again a little thumbnail of my background. I am the owner of High Performance Mechanical Training, graduate of Westside Institute of Technology in Cleveland, in the HVAC industry over 38 years. Teaching in the classroom about 35 years, 16 years on the faculty of a community college, 17 years with Johnson Controls as a lead instructor for HVAC and controls in the Southeast United States. I'm also the author of a number of college textbooks on HVAC control systems, HVAC and refrigeration systems, the IT skills for HVAC, and in the future, troubleshooting HVAC systems. I'm also the author of a number of industry articles, as well as a technical contributor for Fluke Corporation. Why have a class like this? There's a great need in industry today. Almost all commercial buildings today have a web-based, network-based building automation system that HVAC technicians and control technicians are responsible for. Most programs and most community colleges in the United States don't really teach much about networking in their HVAC program. This leaves technicians in a sink or swim approach, which is not good for the customer, it's not good for the technician, it's not good for their employer. At this point, I assume you have purchased my book, IT Skills for HVAC Technicians, from my publisher, American Technical Publishers. In addition, there's also an app that you can purchase for your phone that will involve many of the troubleshooting scenarios that we cover in this book. Okay, here's the chapters of the book. Chapter 1, Networking Personnel. Chapter 2, Networking Overview. Chapter 3, HVAC Control Systems Networks. Chapter 4, Client Computers. Chapter 5 is on servers. Chapter 6 is on wireless networking. Chapter 7 on diagnostic and troubleshooting tools. Chapter 8 is chock full of really good troubleshooting scenarios. Each chapter will have a review section. Some chapters are a little bit longer and some are shorter. The goals here. The goal is to teach you what you need to know to be effective on the job, the 90% stuff that you need to know. We're not worried as much about the 10% stuff that has to do with network design, and network infrastructure. That is more properly taught and implemented by the IT staff anyway. Also, another goal is to give you troubleshooting skills and tools that you will need to be effective on the job. Hopefully, you can benefit from my experience in troubleshooting these systems and troubleshooting networks and how they interact with the building automation systems in these scenarios. In video, you'll be able to see many of the concepts and solutions that we are discussing in this book. The entire class should only take just a few hours of your time, and hope you enjoy the class and hope that we see you back for a future class as well.